So just got done doing a video using paint to dechrome the sides of the door, around the window, and the door handles themselves. And also touched up the front. So I had the whole car plasticed up. Inside the garage, there's not much ventilation. You know, you want to have it kind of closed so you don't get a bunch of dust coming in, and also have some sort of fan pushing the stuff out. So that's my source of ventilation. And you protect yourself with a mask. And I just want to testify that this 3M cool breathing mask that you can get at Home Depot for, I think it was $42, $45, basically like $45, is damn worth the damn deal. Like, it's ridiculous how good it is. I did a short talking about how good the mask is with the mask on, and then took it off for a second, and instantly you can smell it. Put it back on, like, and then it cancels all the stuff out. So like, the thing seals really good. Like, this has a rubber seal. Let me show you this. This thing has the little rubber right here that goes around your face, so it gives you a nice good seal, as well as it's got this double layer like respirator. Let me just take it apart real quick. It sits together like this, but you pop this off. This is the main part that actually goes on there. And you have the canister like this. And then you have the other part that goes over it. Extra protection. And that's all that comes with it. It's super simple to do. It comes with the main rubber piece, and it comes with the two canisters inside the plastic, like sealed up. The part with the black around it, that comes sealed up, like vacuum sealed up, like for real. And then these ones just come on the side and the outside. I say it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it if you're gonna be painting and doing any kind of DIY projects in an area that doesn't have the best ventilation. Like outside, you probably can get away without wearing a mask, but ultimately the best thing to do is wear a mask. The little tissue paper ones don't really do anything at all. And a note, if you can still smell it, then it means it's still getting in there. This, you can't smell nothing. Promise you, nothing's getting in there, nothing.
Yo, this mask is dope. God damn. You don't realize how strong it smells till you take it off. This thing works, and it keeps it cool because it lets the hot air out. Try it.
It's worth checking out. Go to Home Depot, get you a 3M Cool Flow mask, about $45, worth every penny. Peace.